Hello dear friends, and once again I welcome to all of you to my English YouTube channel. We have already started a lesson from English, that is standard 9, and name of the lesson is The Necklace. Now two videos we have already uploaded. In that videos we discuss about the poverty and the poor condition of Mathilde. We learned that though she was very beautiful, though she was very charming girl, but unfortunately she was born in very poor family, isn't it? Yes, after her marriage, she got married with that person. He was also known as a minor official clerk. Isn't it? Now, many things yesterday we discussed. Once again today, we are going to discuss the same lesson from page number 19. Yes, here is lesson. He turned a little pale because he had been saving that exact amount to buy a gun for a hunting summer in the country near Nanterre with a few friends. Now yesterday we discussed that 400 francs, isn't it? 400 francs, it was the actual cost which was explained by Mathilde to buy a new dress. And in reality 400 francs, it was known as the actual saving of Walton, and he wanted to purchase a gun for his habit or for his interest of hunting, isn't it? And therefore, without any thinking or without taking much time, immediately husband he sacrificed. Husband he had given 400 francs to the lady or to his wife. He said, very well, I can give you 400 francs, but try and get really a beautiful dress. The day of party drew near. Madame Loisel seemed sad, restless, and anxious, though her dress was ready. One evening, her husband said to her, what's the matter? You have been acting strange these last 3 days. She replied, I am upset that I have no jewels, not a single stone to wear. I would rather not to go to the party. Yes, now after the dress, husband he was thinking maybe his wife, or might be his wife, she will be happy. But after getting a dress, still, yes, the lady Mathilde, she was not happy and she was in a sad mood. Now one day again when husband he returned, he came home. As he came in front of Mathilde, again he asked the question, now what is the matter? You are looking much sad now. What is the reason? Isn't it? You are acting very strange for the last 3 to 4 days. Isn't it? म्हणजे मागच्या 3-4 दिवसापासून तू थोडंसं विचित्र वागते का? एक नवीन ड्रेस तू जो मागितला तो तुला मी दिला, बरोबर? मग आता आणखी काय पाहिजे? तर आणखीन एक गोष्ट किंवा आणखीन एक डिमांड मॅथिल्ड जी असते आणि ती असते ज्वेलरीची, बरोबर? मॅथिल्डच्या म्हणण्यानुसार नवीन ड्रेस तर आहे, परंतु त्या नवीन ड्रेसवरती यस गळ्यामध्ये वापरण्यासाठी घालण्यासाठी कुठलाही असा एक ज्वेल माझ्याकडे नाही, कुठलाही छोटासा ज्वेलरी माझ्याकडे नाही. आणि तेच एक कारण मॅथिल्ड सेकंड टाइम किंवा दुसऱ्या वेळेस देखील दुःखी असते. आता करणार काय? सी रिप्लाइड, आय एम अपसेट दॅट आय हॅव नो ज्वेल, नॉट अ सिंगल स्टोन टू वियर. आय वुड रॅदर not to go to the party. You would wear flowers, he said. They are very fashionable at this time of the year. Now, husband, he had given suggestion, isn't it? A very interesting and very beautiful suggestion. Husband had given, why don't you use the flowers, isn't it? Or why don't you make a beautiful necklace of flowers? At present, the fashion of flowers, it is going on. फुलांचा एक सुंदर असा नेकलेस किंवा तो फुलांच्या आधारे स्वतःचं सौंदर्य खुलवण्याचा प्रयत्न का करतो? सध्या फुलांची फॅशन देखील चालू आहे. सी वॉज नॉट कन्व्हिन्स्ड. द नेक्स्ट डे सी वेंट टू हर फ्रेंड्स हाऊस अँड टोल्ड हर ऑफ हर डिस्ट्रेस. बघ, लॉयझनने सांगितलेली गोष्ट किंवा लॉयझनने सांगितलेलं सजेशन तिला मात्र पडत नाही. तिच्या मनामध्ये ती घालमेल चालूच असते. नवीन ड्रेसवरती ज्वेलरी कुठली वापरतो आणि म्हणून दुसऱ्या दिवशी ती तिच्या मैत्रिणीच्या घरी जाते आणि ती मैत्रीण असते मॅडम फॉरेस्टियर. ॲज सी केम इन द होम और ॲज सी केम ॲट होम ऑफ फॉरेस्टियर, immediately both the ladies they sat together, isn't it? Forestier asked what happened that time, the total distress, the total episode, what actually happened previously, it was explained by Mathilde in front of her. Now, immediately, Forestier, when she realized why her friend was so much upset, she went inside. She had opened the cupboard. She took a large satin box, isn't it? And put in front of Mathilde, choose my dear. Alright, म्हणजे आतमध्ये जाऊन एक खूप मोठा ज्वेलरी बॉक्स ती घेऊन येते, ओपन करते आणि सांगते तिच्या फ्रेंडला मॅथिल्डला, यस तू बघ आणि तुला कुठला चॉईस होतो, कुठला एक ऑर्नामेंट तू घेऊ शकते, पार्टीसाठी वापरू शकते. Indeed, first Mathilde saw some bracelets, then pearl necklace. She tried on the jewelry in the mirror. Now, as the box it was in front of Mathilde, isn't it? At very first, she used and she applied the bracelets, isn't it? Bracelets which are used around the wrist. Then pearl necklace. She tried on the jewelry in the mirror. मग कधी ब्रेसलेट, कधी मोत्यांचा एक नेकलेस, कधी दुसरं काहीतरी, अनेक प्रकारची ज्वेलरी त्या बॉक्समध्ये असतात. प्रत्येक ज्वेलरी ती घेते, यस गळ्यामध्ये, कानामध्ये किंवा हातामध्ये टाकून स्वतःचं सौंदर्य आरशामध्ये बघत असते. बट सी वॉज नॉट हॅपी और सी वॉज नॉट इम्प्रेस विथ ऑल दॅट ज्वेलरी. नेक्स्ट सी केप्ट आस्किंग, यू हॅव नथिंग एल्स. म्हणजे फक्त एवढंच आहे का, याच्या पलीकडे दाखवण्यासारखं तुझ्याकडे काहीच नाही का? मॅथिल्ड फॉरेस्ट हिलला विचारत असते. Means that much only, yeah, that you don't have anything more to show me. Why? Yes, but I don't know what you like. No problem, माझ्याकडे आणखीन देखील आहे, परंतु नेमकं तू कशासाठी किंवा तुझी नजर काय शोधते हे तू मला सांग. नेमकी तीच वस्तू मी तुला देऊ शकते, बरोबर? And therefore I don't know what you like. Suddenly she discovered in a black satin box a superb diamond necklace, and her heart began to beat with uncontrolled desire. Indeed, now the thing, isn't it? When many things are in front of Mathilde, that time she was not impressed. Actually, she was looking for a diamond necklace, isn't it? A thing which is in the mind of Mathilde, the same thing, the same object, it was there in that black satin box, and as it was seen, immediately her heart, it started to beating very fast. तो नेकलेस बघितल्यानंतर मग मात्र यस ती इम्प्रेस होते आणि जी गोष्ट तिला हवी असते तीच गोष्ट आता ती उचलणार. ॲज सी टूक द नेकलेस, इमिजिएटली सी टाय द नेकलेस अराउंड हर नेक अँड सी चेक हर ब्युटी इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. यस नेकलेस घालून ज्यावेळेस आरशासमोर उभी राहते त्यावेळेस तिला तिचं सौंदर्य हे जास्त खुलल्यासारखं वाटते. अँड फायनली सी टूक द डिसिजन, यस from that satin box I am going to take only the necklace, that is the diamond necklace, which she is going to use for the day of party in the party. Then she asked anxiously, hesitating, would you lend me this, just this, isn't it? Would you lend me this necklace, just this, for the day of party? Why yes, of course. Why? Yes, of course, no doubt, my friend, if you are interested, if you like. Okay, Madam Forrest here, she was talking, she was discussing का हा जो नेकलेस जो तुला आवडला आहे, येस हा जर तुला खरंच आवडला असेल तर तू पार्टीसाठी 100% वापरू शकते, माझ्याकडनं तू घेऊन जाऊ शकते, फक्त तो रिटर्न देखील केला पाहिजे. दॅट वॉज द ॲश्युरन्स मॅडम लॉयझर, मॅडम फॉरेस्ट हियर, शी वॉज आस्किंग. Yes, she threw her arms around her friend's neck, rapturously, then fled with her treasure. Indeed, and as the permission was granted from Madame Forestier, Mathilde, she became so much happy. Indeed, in that happy condition, directly she had thrown her arms and she hugged to her friend. तिच्या मैत्रिणीला ती जोरदार मिठी देखील मारते. The day of party arrived. Madame Loisel was a success. She was prettier than all the other women, elegant, gracious, smiling and full of joy. Now that was the day of party. Actually it was the evening, and in the evening the party it had organized. As husband and wife both they came in the party, isn't it? Yes, in the hall there was a crowd of people, many ladies, many gents were there. But among that people, isn't it, Mathilde, her beauty, it was appreciated by each and every person. Means only Mathilde, she looked more beautiful, yes, more beautiful than other women somewhere in that party hall. Yes, that was the situation. Next, she danced wildly with passion, forgetting everything in the triumph of her beauty and success, floating in a cloud of happiness. Now, in the party, isn't it, during the time of dance, the lady Mathilde, she danced very wildly or very passionately. She performed her dance in that hall. Okay, while dancing, she had forgotten everything, each and every tension of our family. And yes, in the manner that myself, I am the most beautiful lady of this party, she was dancing very passionately, yes, in a very happy manner. Mathilde and her husband left at about 4 o'clock in the morning. When they were finally in the street, they could not find a cab. They walked down towards the Sinai till they found one. They were dropped off at their door in the Rue des Martyrs, and sadly it was all over for her. Now, after the party, much time they have spent in the party, and sharp at the 4 o'clock, yes, early in the morning, they left the party hall. As they came out from the party hall, as they came on the road, yes, no taxi cab, or not a single vehicle, it was there on the road. And therefore, they have changed their location. After walking some steps, they changed the next road, and as they came on the next road, immediately they got a taxi, and as they sat in the taxi, immediately they returned at their home. And here, the turning point of our story, it comes, which has changed the total life of Mathilde as well as Loisel. In front of the mirror, she took a final look at home in all her glory. But suddenly, she uttered a cry. She no longer had the necklace around her neck. Alright, now, as they returned at home, at very first, Mathilde, the most beautiful lady of the hall of party, as she returned, directly she went and stood in front of the mirror. Let me see how I look, or let me see my beauty in front of the mirror. बरोबर, शेवट का होईना, परंतु मला माझं स्वतःचं सौंदर्य घरातल्या आरशासमोर बघायचंय, असं विचार करत ज्यावेळेस ती आरशासमोर उभी राहते, yes, it was the shocking thing for her. That was the most important thing which was unforgotten for her, that there was no necklace around her neck. The necklace was lost somewhere, and it is known as the turning point of Mathilde's life. Yes, Loisel's life. What is the matter? Asked husband. She turned towards him, panic-stricken. I no longer have Madame Forestier's necklace. आता 100% necklace, it is most valuable thing, किंवा सगळ्यात महागडी वस्तू, बरोबर, अशी एक महागडी वस्तू ज्याचं स्वप्न फक्त मॅथिल्डनं तिच्या लाईफमध्ये बघितलेलं असतं, जे स्वप्न तिचं कधीही पूर्ण होऊ शकत नसतं, परंतु तेच स्वप्न नेकलेसच्या स्वरूपामध्ये ते स्वप्न तिच्या मैत्रिणीने पूर्ण केलेलं असते, परंतु काही दिवसांसाठी. Isn't it? Means necklace was the property of Forestier, and only for some day it was lent and accepted by Mathilde. इतकी मौल्यवान वस्तू आपल्या काळामध्ये होती, परंतु आता ती आपल्या काळात नाही, म्हणजे ती कुठेतरी पडली किंवा हरवली. ही गोष्ट ज्यावेळेस मॅथिल्ड तिच्या हजबंडला सांगते, येस, इट वॉज द शॉकिंग थिंग फॉर बोथ द पीपल, और फॉर हजबंड अँड वाईफ. Yes, I no longer have Madame Forestier's necklace. He stood up, distraught. What? How? That's impossible. And in this condition, husband, he also became so much confused. Means confusion, nervousness, sadness, everything. It came in front of husband. He was suffering from full of tension, and how? What? It's impossible. By asking many questions, isn't it? He had shown his distress, and he became much sad at the end of part number 1. Then let us see what will happen in part number 2. Isn't it? Means to be a possessive, it is known as the most important reason of our sadness. Isn't it? म्हणजे नको त्या गोष्टी, अनावश्यक गोष्टी ज्या खरंच आपल्या बजेटच्या पलीकडे आहे आणि ज्यांची जर खरंच गरज नसेल, अशा गोष्टींचा अट्टहास जर आपण करत गेलो तर 100% आपण नेहमी दुःखी आणि फक्त दुःखीच असतो. हीच गोष्ट आपण शिकलो पार्ट नंबर 1 मधून. म्हणजे मॅथिल्ड सारखी एक लेडी खरोखर सुंदर आहे, इम्प्रेसिव्ह आहे, येस, ती थोडीशी चार्मिंग देखील आहे, परंतु तिचं थोडंसं अट्टहास किंवा अतिमहत्वाकांक्षा, येस, हीच गोष्ट इतकी भयानक तिच्या आयुष्यामध्ये तिला देखील त्रासदायक ठरते आणि तिच्या पतीला देखील, लॉयझलला देखील त्रासदायक ठरते. आता नेक्स्ट पार्टमध्ये बघूया हाऊ दे आर गोइंग टू सर्च द नेकलेस. तो नेकलेस त्यांना परत मिळतो का, आणि मिळतो तो कशा कंडिशनमध्ये मिळतो. बरोबर, किंवा जर मिळत नसेल तर तो नेकलेस रिपे करण्यासाठी, यस तो नेकलेस जसा तसा परत करण्यासाठी कुठले कुठले एफर्ट्स या दोघांना घ्यावे लागतात. यस, वी आर गोइंग टू वॉच द सेम कंडिशन ऑफ मॅथड इन अवर नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. ऑलराइट, अप टू हियर, थँक यू अँड हॅव नाईस डे अँड टेक केअर ऑफ युअर सेल्फ. थँक यू.